Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video. So today I'm not gonna talk about another subject, and I would like to talk about this. Like say, English is an important. Okay, so we have to know about it, and if we are doing something well, that we got achieve your goal easily. So I have told you once again, but I'm going to talk about this because it's an very important to in our life. So whenever you go and you have realized that what is important in our life. So I have told once again that please do it. And I'm going to talk about one sentence, and that is questions. Would you would you have some time to M-A-M-A-R-O-W. Do you have some time tomorrow? তোমার কাছে কি কালকে কিছু সময় হবে? তোমার কি কালকে একটু সময় হবে? I would like to meet you. আমি আপনার সাথে দেখা করতে চাই। Would you have some time tomorrow? আপনার কাছে কি সময় হবে কালকে? I would like to meet you. আমি দেখা করতে চাই। Okay, and if you this sentence you can talk your boss, your um, I mean who are the right this person that you respect them. So this situation you should use this sentence, or you can say, do you have some time tomorrow? So this sentence you can use your friends, your neighbor, your cousins, your colleague, this title. Okay, so don't use all the time do. Use would you have some time tomorrow? I hope you clear about it, and if you don't clear about it you can comment me know. So this is it. Have a great day. See you some other time. Bye.